Today we're going to take a look at and also show you how to install the Optronics LED Trailer License Plate Light with mounting bracket. This is a 2-wire setup offering 5 LED diodes and a clear lens. Part number is LPL55CB. As you can see, those 5 LEDs do a really good job of lighting up the entire license plate area. It's a nice pure white light. I'm not used to seeing that with incandescents, which give you kind of almost more of a yellow hue on it. So overall, it's definitely a better light than what you get with the incandescents. The thing you'll appreciate about the LEDs is there's not really ever a need to change those. Very seldom will you ever have an LED go bad. It's a nice, clear, DOT compliant light, so whatever state you travel through, you're not going to have to worry about whether it's in regulation or not. It's going to attach directly to the mounting holes you already have on your trailer. These are going to be 3 3/8 of an inch on center, which is very common with this style license plate light. Now the light housing itself and the bracket are all a polymer material. The thing I like about this when comparing it to other license plate lights is that without having the steel, you're not going to have to worry about corrosion. You don't have to worry about rain getting on it and eventually having kind of the rust running down your trailer. The light also receives really good reviews. It's like Ken S. said, these plastic mounts take a beating, especially in the winter. These replacements work great and are an exact fit. This allows my techs to do quick and easy install on our fleets of buses. I'm sure I'll be purchasing more in the future. Thanks. Now, depending on your setup, you're going to have either 1 or 2 wires here. A single wire is going to be your power coming through. That gets connected to the black wire. And of course, we don't have our second wire. You see we've already got a ring terminal that's been installed. That's just going to mount behind our attachment point there. That'll press it up against the surface, and that'll give us the ground that we're looking for. If you have 2 wires, just trim that off, strip it back, and connect it just like we're going to connect our black wires. We're going to be using a heat shrink butt connector. We recommend that you do the same. It just gives you superior corrosion resistance versus a standard. And we're going to use a heat source to shrink these down. You can use a heat gun, a mini torch, or a lighter. You just need to provide gentle heat and not overheat it. If you overheat it, you can cause kind of some cracks in it, and it won't do any good in corrosion resistance wise. And something we can do at this point is get our plate installed. You can do it after the light's installed. It's just going to be tight up against the trailer, so you'll have to kind of bend it or flex it to get it over there. And we'll just place our hardware through our holes there. Once we have it installed, we can test it out. And that'll complete our look at the Optronics LED Trailer License Plate Light with mounting bracket. Part number is LPL55CB.